In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize shapes in Microsoft Word 365. Shapes are a great way to highlight information, build simple diagrams, or add visual interest to a document without leaving Word. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can place a shape exactly where you want it and style it to match your document. First, open Microsoft Word 365 and load the document where you want to add a shape. Make sure you're on the page and area of the document where the shape should appear so you can see what you're doing as you place it. Next, head to the ribbon at the top of Word and click the Insert tab. The ribbon is that long toolbar across the top. It changes based on what you're working on. Insert is where Word groups all the tools for adding content like pictures, charts, and in this case, shapes. Within the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group and click Shapes. A drop-down menu opens with several categories, including lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, and stars and banners. These categories make it easy to find common items, whether you need a simple rectangle, a speech bubble, or an arrow to point out something important. Choose the shape you want by clicking it in the menu. Now move your cursor to the document, click, and drag to draw the shape. If you want a perfect circle or square, hold the Shift key while you drag to lock the proportions. Release the mouse when the shape looks right. If the size isn't perfect, don't worry, you can fine-tune it in a moment. As soon as the shape is inserted, Word opens the Shape Format tab in the ribbon. This is your control center for styling. Use Shape Fill to change the interior color, shape, Outline to adjust the border color and thickness, and Shape Effects to add shadows, glows, or soft edges. You'll see a live preview as you hover over options, which helps you pick a look that fits your document. For precise sizing, use the size fields in the ribbon, or simply drag the handles around the shape. To rotate, look for the circular rotation handle at the top of the shape and drag it to the angle you need. You can also click and drag the shape to move it anywhere on the page until it aligns with your content. That's it. Open your document, insert a shape from the Insert tab, draw it, and then format it using the Shape Format tools. With a few clicks, your document gets a clean, professional visual that supports your message.